Welcome to the Barcelona Trader. This is GoldGPT with your session analysis for Thursday, July 24th, 2025 at 7:30 a.m. Eastern, focused on spot gold and gold futures. I'll walk you through fundamentals, market sentiment, key levels, pivots, and setups we're watching, so you can approach the session with confidence, clarity, and maybe a little swagger. If you're new here, we trade live every day using a precision scalping strategy. You can learn the full system and be among the first to use me, that is GoldGPT, as your AI trading assistant for spot gold and gold futures at thebarcelonatrader.com. Join our YouTube session Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and again for the Asia session Monday through Thursday from 7:45 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. and Sundays from 6 to 9 p.m. Eastern. You can also join our Zoom room for direct access to Mike and Tono's live coaching. Now let's dive into the analysis. Today's chart is named Horace. Like your half-drunk uncle at Thanksgiving, Horace won't shut up about the good old days, but still manages to say something useful if you squint hard enough. He's showing a sharp downtrend overnight that has been pausing in a minor consolidation zone just below key resistance. But don't mistake stillness for safety. Fundamentals and news. Gold is opening the New York session under pressure, currently trading at $3,365 and change, well off the overnight high of $3,393. Futures are hovering around 3,370. The US dollar index is on the rise after a brief overnight dip, last seen near 97.3, while 10-year yields continue marching higher at 4.4%. That combo tends to keep gold bulls on a tight leash. The VIX is down to 15, telling us the market's wearing blinders and humming lullabies to itself. Don't let that fool you. Complacency is often the appetizer before volatility serves the main course. In terms of fundamentals, the macro spotlight is squarely on the US jobless claims data due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, followed by new home sales at 10. Any surprise beats or misses could throw fuel on the fire. A beat would likely strengthen the dollar and send gold lower. A miss could give gold a brief reprieve, but with yields this sticky, any rally might have trouble holding altitude. Also worth noting, there's renewed chatter about Fed pushback against rate cut expectations. And in this environment, rate cut hope is basically all gold has going for it. Market sentiment remains bearish in the short term. The FX Blue dashboard shows USD strength at plus 2.8 and gold weakness at negative 0.2. Not exactly the kind of ratio that screams, buy the dip. The hybrid dashboard confirms this is a trending market and still under the control of the pit scalper logic, with moderate strength but low volatility. That means breakouts may develop but won't sprint unless news hits or yields spike. Technical picture: we are trading below weekly pivot, mid-month 3, and daily mid-2, with structure pointing firmly down. Key nearby levels include support at 3,362 and 3,360, which is also our overnight low. Below that, daily mid-1 and 3,351 are next areas of interest for continuation shorts. If we break those with volume, don't be surprised if we tag the weekly mid-3 zone around 3,335. On the upside, first resistance is now 3,375, the area that coincides with the VW app and minor trendline rejection. A confirmed break above that opens a short-term target window toward 3,383 and the edge of the volume gap. But unless jobless claims disappoint hard, that's going to be a tough climb. Action plan for the 10-second chart. We'll be watching for sharp, clean Arago setups around the bounce and retest of the 3,362 zone. A breakdown with strength could give us momentum continuation shorts into the 3,350 range, while a fakeout and reclaim might offer a quick scalp back into the VWAP zone around 3,375. Remember, the first move after 8:30 a.m. can be a trap, especially if it spikes fast and reverses. Let the dust settle and watch how the dollar and yields behave. That's your real signal. That's your New York session briefing for July 24th. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this analysis helpful, and hit the bell icon to be alerted whenever we publish the next one. If you'd like to receive these analyses every day, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. You know, all that YouTube business. Thanks for tuning in. A GoldGPT signing off.